Nollaig chuna daoibh agus fáilte arás go géalaigh an mo chraí, agus má tá duine an seo nollaig chuna duit agus fáilte. Oíche Nollag atá an, it's Christmas Eve, and I would just really like to share some phrases with you that you can use to talk about Christmas in Irish. I'm sorry that this video is late. Well, I mean, it's Christmas Eve, but I would have liked to put it up earlier, but I've been traveling and I only got home earlier this week and I had to work, but I'm here now with a video, and here are some good phrases that you can use to talk about Christmas. Nollaig. So let's get started. The first phrase I would like to share with you is, how do you say, it's Christmas? How do you announce that? So you can use the beautiful phrase, she an Nollag í. She an Nollag í. Christmas is feminine, so it's like literally she, the Christmas, her.
I guess.
It's Christmas. She an Nollag í. Oh, and might live my cushiony. Do you like my cushions? Well, in Cuirim Nollag, I got it in Dunnes stores. They had a lot of nice little Irish decorations. I also bought a cup that says Saintí Santa, tá mé an rá leis. Tá mé ag tnú go mór leis an Nollag. Tá mé ag tnú go mór leis an Nollag. Or instead of tnú, you can say súil. Tá mé ag súil go mór leis an Nollag. Or replace Nollag with Ginnear, na bronntanais. Well, leis na bronntanais, if you want to say presents. I am really looking forward to Christmas, or I'm really looking forward to the dinner, to the presents, whatever you're feeling. Whatever gets you most excited about Christmas, you put it in a little phrase. Use some Irish this Christmas with your family, with your friends, whatever. Nollaig chuna duit. As I said at the start of the video, Nollaig chuna daoibh. I also said Nollaig chuna duit. But anyway, if you want to say to one person, Merry Christmas, Nollaig chuna duit. To more than one person, Nollaig chuna daoibh. Fuirseadh na Nollag. Fuirseadh na Nollag. Or bridge na Nollag. Bridge na Nollag. And what does that mean? Christmas rush. You could say, Bhí an siopa duit le daoine mar gheall Fuirseadh na Nollag. Or Bhí an siopa duit le daoine mar gheall bridge na Nollag. Duit le daoine, that's another great phrase to mean packed. Literally means black with people, like you can't see, it's just people. Even though Fuirseadh na Nollag is kind of over on Christmas Eve, probably, well, it depends what time you're watching this and where you are in the world. Tá mé sásta go bhfuil Fuirseadh na Nollag Christmas. I'm happy that, or I'm glad that the Christmas rush is finished. It's done. Is fearr Oíche Nollag Lá Nollag. So I don't know if this is something you find yourself talking about, or it's something I like to ask people. Cé acu is fearr leat? Oíche Nollag Lá Nollag. So which do you prefer, Christmas Eve or Christmas Day? And so you could say, is fearr Oíche Nollag? I prefer Christmas Eve. Or is fearr Lá Nollag? Is fearr Lá Nollag? I prefer Christmas Day. Now these are some little phrases that you can use for activities, things that you do at Christmas to talk about that. Cuirim clúdach na bronntanais. Cuirim clúdach na bronntanais. So very simply, I wrap the presents. You could say, Cuirim clúdach na bronntanais Oíche Nollag. That's what I do. I wrap the presents on Christmas Eve. I like to do it then. It's not last minute, it's just what I like to do. I don't have to give a ton of people gifts, so it's fine. I'm covered. Caithim le mo hailach. Caithim le mo hailach. Or carja. Má charja. Caithim le mo charja. Whatever suits you. I spend time with my family or my friends. And if you're not able to do that this year, I would just like to say that I'm thinking of you and I'm praying for you. Christmas can be a very hard time, and I just pray that wherever you are, you're safe, and just know that you're loved and that I appreciate you watching this video right now, and I know that you're an awesome person. Imrímid cluichí le chéile. Imrímid cluichí le chéile. We play games together. I was playing Scrabble this morning with my brother actually. I won.
Rinne.
I got roped into it and I had stuff to do, and that's why I'm making this video now so late, because I got sidetracked. But anyway, that's what Christmas is all about. I'm gonna try and play a few games in Irish, see how that goes. You know, might video it, we'll see. Chéile and cluichí is fearr ag an Nollag. What's your favourite game at Christmas? And try to write in Irish. Practice your Irish. Use the comment section to do that. Ag an bhomaite deireanach. Ag an bhomaite deireanach. So at the last minute, or just to mean last minute, you'd be like ag an bhomaite deireanach. For some reason, that doesn't really stress me, because usually I'm like, I'll find something. But also let me know in the comments, an dhéanann tú rudaí ag an bhomaite deireanach? Do you do things at the last minute?
It'll tell me a lot about you.
Saintí. So this is a kind of informal way to say like Santa in Irish. I love it, it's so cute. Saintí. Sometimes in English, people here still say Saintí. There's also the word daoibh na Nollag. Daoibh na Nollag. And I got very annoyed recently because I seen some video on YouTube saying about how in Irish, basically they were saying it was really weird the way that we said Santa. It was like Daddy December. I got annoyed and commented saying Nollag also means Christmas. So it's like Daddy Christmas, like Father Christmas. So that's something I should also include too. Nollag is December and Christmas. If you didn't know, now you do. A little phrase I have about Saintí that you can use with your kids. Bí bra béasach ná dheoibh tú crap gúil. Bí bra béasach ná dheoibh tú crap gúil. I don't know if this was the threat in other places, but other Irish people living in Ireland watching this should definitely get it. Be on your best behaviour or you will get a piece or a lump of coal. That was the threat, a lump of coal. So that's a good one to use if you have kids. Warn them. I have a few phrases. I've kind of grouped them into one because I don't know. I want to give you bonus ones, bronntanais, little presents. This is very relatable, definitely. Talking about eating too much. You can say in general, Déanaim an bhuc ag an Nollag. And it means literally, I do the pig at Christmas time. You eat like a pig, I guess. Or put it into past, Rinne an bhuc ag an Nollag, or Rinne an bhuc lá Nollag. Like I did the pig on Christmas Day. I ate like a pig. I love it. Try to say that one to your family, or maybe say it directly in English. And if they look at you like, what are you talking about? You can give them the background and the Irish for it. Tá mé ar tí pléascú. Tá mé ar tí pléascú. This means I am about to burst. I'm about to burst. I'm fit to burst. When, again, you ate too much, you're stuffed. Tá mé ar capíní. Tá mé ar capíní. That is a great phrase which you just don't hear that often. And capíní are literally sticks or twigs. It translates as like to be like really like anticipating something, really excited, but like a nervous excitement, if that makes sense. You can also use it if you're like wound up, on edge about something. It encaptures that kind of nervous excitement about Christmas. Ar capíní. Also ar bís, tá mé ar bís. That's a good one, similar meaning. It's like I'm buzzing, I'm excited, I can't wait. By the way, that's a common thing that Irish people say in English. I'm buzzing. If you're like, oh, I'm buzzing, it's like I'm so excited, I can't wait. And last one to finish off on. I think it's an important one to keep in mind when it comes to gifts and everything at Christmas. Ba yas an smuintiú é. Ba yas an smuintiú é. It's the equivalent of it's the thought that counts, but directly the thought was nice, or it was a nice thought. It's true. It's a thought that counts. Ba yas an smuintiú é. Ba yas an smuintiú é. Tá súlagam gur bhain sult as an Oíche an seo. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I really wanted to get up something about Christmas phrases. Tá súlagam go bhfuil Nollag daoibh agah. I hope that you all have a class Christmas. I am thinking of you. I'm praying for you if your Christmas is into one of the ideal ones that we see on Instagram. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you never miss a video. Agus a fatrini gur mila mai agah. Tá an nasc sa chuirsíos do má Patreon. The link is in the description for my Patreon if you're interested. Sin é a chairde, Nollag chuna daoibh, agus chiefí me go lua sibh. Slán. I think it's important. You might love both, you know, which is good, you know. That thirst arm. Tammy gonna cry. I'm definitely gonna cry.